ground 160 circuit. This is circuit 450. Every once in a while I just check it out. That's where the electronic control module is grounded. Second gear switch, fourth gear switch, park neutral switch, electronic control module. And a couple other things are grounded right there. Sometimes I just take a wire brush and clean it up. And I take a half-inch socket and go around and tighten all these intake manifold lid bolts down. Some guy a long time ago recommended on a Crossfire do that about every 6 months to a year. They have a tendency a little loose. Put a new set of spark plugs in it this morning. It's been about 5 years. Somebody told me to go with these NGK V-Power plugs. So I figured why not? I gave it a try, and it does run a lot better. NGK UR46630 V-Power. Got a little V in the tip. And it does seem to run a little better. But I was due to put some new plugs in there. It's been about 5 years anyway, so it's routine maintenance. Well, it took me about an hour. Torqued them all down to 22 foot-pounds of torque and gapped them all to 45 thousandths. Running pretty good this morning.